Make a delicious green rice, you're gonna need a cup of white rice. And we're gonna rinse it. Once the water comes out clear like this, it's ready. You can reuse the water for watering the plants. And we're gonna let it drain. I'm heating the frying pan. It has to be hot enough before adding the cooking oil. Once the frying pan is hot, we're gonna add the cooking oil. And we're gonna let the oil heat up so it doesn't stick. Now the oil is ready, we're gonna add the rice. We're gonna stir often so it doesn't stick and they roast on all sides. This. This part is on medium heat so the rice doesn't burn. We're gonna blend a bunch of cilantro. This is what will give its flavor and its green color. And a clove of garlic, a slice of onion, and we're gonna add a cup of chicken broth. We're also gonna add salt to taste. Now we're gonna blend. And you're gonna know it's ready when it starts turning golden and like roasted. And then when you stir it, it feels like there is like sand, like sandy. So that's how you know it's ready, and we're gonna add the mix. And the total liquid is gonna be double the amount of rice. So we used 1 cup of rice and 1 cup of chicken broth was put in the blender. We're gonna add another one, so it's 2 to 1. And we're gonna cover it. Once it starts boiling, we're gonna lower the temperature to like medium low. Now let's check and see if it's ready. If all the liquid is gone, then it's ready. And as you can see, the liquid is gone, so now it's ready. We're gonna turn it off and we're gonna give it a try in a few minutes. Now we're gonna try the green Mexican rice.